weird mustache. No.
Chip, we have a chip.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what happened.
I've been in this situation before, I can remember that, but I don't remember what I did.
Maybe there's one too many chairs on this table.
Okay.
That's bad.
I don't care. All I did was the chairs. Did you take the garbage? No. They haven't
Are you gonna turn the video live? Ow.
Oh, you have
It's dead anyway.
That's just an asshole thing to do.
dead.
So I'm just gonna make.
Why not?